Hey everyone, welcome to ProcessWurks YouTube channel. I'm Jayanti Ganapathy, and today we're going to talk about a topic that's been on the minds of many accountants and business owners alike. The question is, are accountants going to be replaced by computers? Let's dive into this topic and see what the future holds for the accounting industry. Accounting has come a long way since its inception, and technology has played a significant role in this evolution. With the advent of computers and software, accounting has become more efficient and accurate than ever before. Many businesses are leveraging accounting and bookkeeping programs to save time and reduce errors. But the question remains, will automation replace accountants? Some studies suggest that accounting is one of the jobs most likely to be automated. However, these studies usually refer to accounting clerks and bookkeepers. While bots and AI can perform basic accounting tasks like bank reconciliations and audit processes, it doesn't necessarily mean that they will replace human accountants. Accountants spend most of their time analyzing data and making decisions, and automation can free up their time to focus on these critical tasks. Anirudh Swaminathan, a Quora user, rightly pointed out that technology has already replaced many manual accounting tasks. But AI is likely to be used in areas where people can't perform these tasks. Therefore, AI will complement accountants' work, rather than replace them. As human accountants, we bring a unique set of skills to the table that machines can't replicate. For instance, we have instincts developed over time that help us spot problems before the numbers show it. We can also draw upon our experiences to connect with clients and understand their goals, which is something that computers can't replicate. Trust is another critical factor in accounting. Customers trust us because we know them and their businesses. AI can't build relationships with people, and it can't replicate human emotions or understand what it means to be human. So, in conclusion, automation and AI are here to stay, but they won't replace human accountants. The accounting industry will evolve, and so will our roles. As accountants, we must embrace these changes and adapt to them. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.